Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of felt slippers for fashion dolls like Skipper, Barbie, vintage Francie, Spin Master Live dolls, and other fashion dolls of the same size. But before we begin this easy sewing project, please go to shelleywood.com, my website, to download this free printable sewing pattern and use the pattern to cut out these 4 pieces of felt. You may notice that the slipper top seems a bit too big, but don't let that bother you. It's designed to allow extra room so the doll can slip her foot inside it. In this video, we'll talk about the sole's heel and the front or rounded side of the sole. The heel is a little more pointy than the rounded side, so that should help you decide which one is the heel. Place the top of the slipper on top of the rounded side of the sole. Insert your needle into the sole right where the top part is going to meet it, and you want to hide the knot in your thread between the sole and the top part of the slipper. Notice how the knot is sandwiched in between? That hides the knot. Whip stitch the top to the rounded end of the sole of the slipper. As you whip stitch around, the top will get kind of a wrinkle or a bump in it. You actually want it to have extra room like this so you can get the doll's foot inside. There I am, kind of pushing that rounded part open as I do a whip stitch. Tie a knot at the end of your stitches and try the slipper on your doll. This pattern fits the Live dolls perfectly. But it's a bit too long for Francie's foot. Use a pair of scissors to trim away part of the sole's heel. There's actually a mark on the pattern for this so that you can make the slipper fit Francie and Barbie and other dolls that have a particularly small foot. Trimming the heel is, of course, optional, and it will depend on the doll you're sewing for. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please tell your friends about my website, where you can find free patterns for doll clothes like this polka dot dress. Goodbye.